Hi guys, I'm Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. So in this video I'm going to make this bun hairstyle. This is especially for those people who have very less volume. For this you would need a big size rubber band and U-pins. So first thing I'm doing is I'm making high ponytail. After detangling my hair, then I'm going to divide it into two equal sections. Then I'm twisting one section like so and pulling it little backward to give it a volume and little bit messy look. Then I'm wrapping this section around this rubber band and I'm going to secure it with the help of U-pins. I'll repeat the exact same process with this section also in the opposite direction. In my bun, my rubber band is visible. You can hide this with your hair if you want to. Otherwise, it looks like your hair only. It doesn't look like you have put something else. And then I'm pulling my hair to give it little more volume. If you have very less volume, this can be really helpful for you. I hope you guys liked it. If you really liked it, please press that like button, which means a lot to me. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming.